India has a history of 5,000 years of body art. Tattooing and piercing have been a way of expression of religion, culture, belief, tradition, and community feeling. Branding, henna, needle, and ink tattoos have existed in India for hundreds of years, way before the tattoo machines came in. These tattoos or body art were believed to be able to eradicate omens and bring good luck. There is also a belief that a tattoo is the only thing that goes with one's body after death. Hence, body art has been a part of sacred and traditional ritual ever since.
The earliest mentions of Mehndi and henna are found in ancient Hindu Vedic scriptures. It's a temporary form of body art and it signifies happiness or the beginning of a new relationship in one's life. Intricate Mehndi patterns are applied on the hands, feet, and sometimes on the back of the shoulders of brides, mainly during wedding ceremonies and other festivals.
Ear piercings are also associated with a number of beliefs. Known as Karna Veda, it is one of the Hindu rituals performed on a child. Customarily, a baby's ears are pierced in the first or the third year. In some regions, parents may wait until the mundan, that is the tonsure of an infant's first tuft of hair. In some parts of the country, like Maharashtra, a baby's ears are pierced on the day of the naming ceremony, which happens 12 or 13 days after its birth.
ये कान हम ये सोने का रिंग है, डायरेक्टली उसके अंदर कान के अंदर छेद देते, छेद के अच्छा कर देते और ये काम हम फ्री करते, पैसे नहीं लेते.
In the Indian culture, the custom of wearing nose rings began in the 16th century. In Ayurveda, it's believed that nose piercings help reduce menstrual pain and discomfort. It's preferred that women wear nose rings on the left nostril since the nerves leading from the left nostril are associated with the female reproductive organs. It's believed that intuition, which represents brainwave focus, is located just above the end of the nose. Traditionally, nose piercings imply that a girl is ready for marriage.
Cultural tattoos are very rare to find and they're pretty trendy. That's why I got one done myself. My tattoo is the Mahamrityunjay mantra. It is a mantra which praises Lord Shiva, who is the conqueror of death. You should cherish the moment that you're living in and overcome the fear of death.
Every person as a child goes through a phase where they learn about their culture, their tradition, their religion. This is exactly what my tattoo means to me, being a part of an age-old culture and still having a modern outlook. My tattoo is in Sanskrit and it speaks of a philosophy from Bhagavad Gita, which is a old Indian scripture.
हम लोग जो टैटू और बॉडी piercing का बिज़नेस हैदराबाद में 6 साल से कर रहे हैं. हमारे यहाँ पे महीने में हम लोग कंपलसरी एक 100 से 200 तक पियर्सिंग कर लेते हैं और हमारे पास हर तरह के पियर्सिंग होते हैं जैसे नोज़ के और ईयर्स के और बेली पियर्सिंग वगैरह होते हैं और इसके लिए हम लोग तरह तरह के इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी यूज़ करते हैं. आजकल ज़्यादातर कल्चरल एंड ट्रेडिशनल टैटूज़ का ट्रेंड ज़्यादा चल रहा है. जैसे लॉर्ड शिवा के, गणपति के, बालाजी के टैटूज़ ज़्यादा चलते हैं और उनके साथ साथ आजकल जैसे मंत्रास भी बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं. जैसे गायत्री मंत्रास है, महामृत्युंजय मंत्रास बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं सिटी में. लेकिन आजकल कल्चरल टैटूज़ लोग फैशन और पर्सनालिटी के लिए ही बना रहे हैं.
What started off as custom and tradition has now become a fashion trend. Tattoos and piercings have become a way of expressing oneself rather than expressing one's culture. And this is how we give style an Indian twist.